Today I wanted to show you how I separate out my sweet pea seeds. Now this little cluster here I picked a few weeks ago. I put it in a paper bag to dry and you can hear that it's really crispy, crunchy, ready to go. And I also wanted to show you some ones that don't look so good. So we have this one, and here's the other half of it here, popped open. And you can see the seeds are still inside on this side, but on this side, who knows where they are. They're somewhere out in the garden. They'll pop up next year. You also want to be careful of ones that look like this. This one has been out in the rain and it's all moldy. And I would be really hesitant to save these just because you don't want mold to transfer to your other seeds, and then it could cause a whole host of problems once you go to plant them. So discard these, keep these, try to get them before they get to this point. I always clip the seed pods from the stem with the stem attached. Just leave it all to dry. This one is really, really crispy now, because you don't want to yank on it and then have it split apart. So it's really easy to just press on the seam and you can hear it start to split. But you can see all of those seeds inside. Now it's better to just take one side off rather than trying to pop them all out, because otherwise they'll go shooting everywhere like that one did. There you have it. Then take them, put them in an envelope. Make sure you mark your envelope with the variety if you know it. These are just a mix because they were so densely packed in there I couldn't tell which seed pod came from which plant. So they're just a mix. They were planted as a mix, they will stay as a mix.